Hi there, welcome to Europa House and welcome to Sercon. We occupy quite a niche position in the industry where we focus on deep collaboration with researchers.
And we're not telling the industry what they should have, we're getting the information fed back to us of what they want.
We're an international company, so we do travel to all kind of corners of the globe.
The most popular products are within the EA IRMS, which require a number of chemical reagents that need to be replenished frequently.
The business in its current entity was formed in 2002, having a rich history back through Europa Scientific and as far back as the VG group of companies, which is the origins of many of the mass spec companies we see today.
So this is the HS 2022 IRMS. This is what a finished product looks like. This has been outfitted with all the valves and control wiring that we need to control the system. The vacuum system that we use, all the electronics and everything else like that is all contained in here. So everything that you need to run your IRMS is all in this one box here.
We tend to form relationships with researchers based on their research questions and their analytical needs. And it's our aim to flex towards what the researcher needs and provides a solution to their analytical challenges. We're very, very dynamic, and that flexibility and ability to react quickly to research needs makes us a very agile company and very suitable for solving these innovative challenges that researchers may have with their instrumentation. Feedback from researchers, listening to what current challenges they have, listening to new research needs and research projects is the arrow that points us towards our development path.
We also discuss sort of specific requirements for that instrument, because sometimes these instruments interface to different instruments, not always our instruments.
Currently we sit here in the headquarters in the UK. We have a large global distribution network of agents who act for us on our behalf, selling, delivering some service and also delivering sales of consumables and supporting the researcher that way.
So to take you through what happens from when an order gets made until it's been finished in the production side and the test side of things, we're currently in the picking and packing area for all the components that go into the systems. So the first thing that happens is that everything gets picked into a box. You can see the system's going to go all the way to Egypt. So once everything's been packed into a box, it then gets passed through to the guys in the production side, and they'll then work away at the build process.
So a large part of my job is installing machines. That can be here in the UK or far abroad, anywhere across the world.
Sometimes they want the same engineer back year after year, so they've built up a relationship.
Training is a big part of this role. Customers might not be familiar with our kind of software or our machines, so there's a big software element to it. Some of the major manufacturers might have some software that might look fairly similar, but in terms of actually using it, there's going to be slight nuances between them. So the customers normally have to get at least 3 to 4 days of kind of hands-on training with us.
We focus very heavily on support, and be that an engineer with a spanner in their hands or just providing the right consumables or the right reference material information is all taken as part of supporting the customer.
We do have a very high commitment to fulfilling service contracts and emergency call-outs.
So there's a number of ways you can place orders for consumables, typically through our consumable website, office, email or phoning into the office as well.
Working with Sercon to look at how we can get young engineers of the future in their business. We offer the T-level course. The T-level students need 45 days in industry, and Sercon will be an ideal place for some of our young engineers to spend their 9-week placement.
The ambitions for the business here at Sercon are to continue building on our strong past history of providing excellent customer service, innovative products, and listening to researchers' challenges to provide the best analytical solution for their needs within budget.